guys, it's Mark from Keeping It in a Nutshell, and today I have a really fun unboxing. So ever since I saw this on the cubicle, I was really excited and I hope to get it. And I just decided that I started a YouTube channel, I might as well get it for fun. So let's make sure it's the right stuff. Yes, okay, so first, this isn't the main thing, this is a little magic to test these on. These are some lube tips. And finally, the Max lubes. So I was really excited to get these, and super amazingly exciting. So yeah, these are the Max Fleet and Command. So I believe Command is a track and core lube, and Fleet is a piece lube, and together they make a really nice, from what I can tell, D&M and silk-like combination, only a little bit different. So let's open up this little magic, which is a great budget cube. I use this a lot, and so yeah, it comes tight. It's very tight actually. While I'm doing this, I might as well add some Max Command first, right? So I'm just gonna get a little feel for it. Okay, feels pretty good. And now let's unscrew this. I'll fast forward that for you guys. Finish putting on that washer, and let's put on the lube tip. I've also got stand caps. I don't use them for standing them up, I just think that they're easier to take off than the little black ones. So I buy these little blue caps. Be careful. So just screw. Yes, normal cubicle loop. Right, and let us put it here. Sorry guys, I just, the little thing in the top corner, I just removed that. I just had that on accident and I fixed it. I also changed the resolution a little bit to make it looking a little bit neater for you guys. So yeah, I'll get back to working on this. So final thoughts on these lubes is that they are very nice. I recommend getting them. They're fast. I've had a lot of problems in this video, so I'll try to make it as good as I can. But basically, Command is fast, I mean not as fast, controllable and smooth. It's great for the core, and it really helps Fleet when you put in the pieces. And Fleet, I think, is, it comes out really fast, so watch out for that. Yeah, this is just made for speed. And, few notifications. So, my friends and I are going to Keeping Peoria 2020 soon, but my videos have been publicized in the wrong order. So, it says that my mains and goals for Keeping Peoria 2020 is 4 cube collection and comp vlog on my channel, but it's actually switched, so it's comp vlog, cubing collection, and then mains and goals, and then obviously this one. So I'm sorry for confusing everyone. I am kind using the new camera. But yeah, I guess that's it. And be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, have a Cubelicious day.